next one is UTI, Unit Trust of India, UTI Bank. It mobilizes. It is for small investor sale of unit. If the plant is very sick, it will help in selling the unit and attracting investors to buy the unit or buy, and they can start demolish and they can start their own business. So it serves as a channel to corporate investors. So corporate investors will be notified of the sale of units, and it act like a mediator to sell the unit and take the money and give it to the corresponding owner. The next one you have state finance corporation, state financial corporations. So it is under the control of the state government. So it for promoting self-employment, the financing of expansion, modernization, and upgradation of technology in existing units. So expansion, you are building multiple branches of your company. Modernization is you are completely using new technology. Upgradation means you are upgrading your software or machinery used in the company. All these are done for enhancing your production and improving your profit, right? So all these are done, and the finance is coming from state financial corporations. So you also have next thing called as State Industrial Development Corporation, SIDC, wholly owned by the state government, provide assistance by term loans. They provide term loans, you can buy them and they give subsidized rate of interest, and you can repay the loans at a shorter period of time. Okay. So next one is SIDB, Small Industries Development Corporation of India. It is actually SIDB. It is given as wrongly SIBDA. It is SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. So it is mainly focused on modernization and upgradation of your units. So we have seen what is the modernization and upgradation of technology. It is available in your enterprise. So you will know what is the technology required for your company. So funds are given by ECT for that purpose. Expand the market channel, expand the your market, and opening new branches and promote entrepreneurship. So to develop to instill the uh, entrepreneurship in young aspiring people, they are going to fund their enterprise at a very subsidized interest rate. Last one, Import Export Bank of India, EXIM. So it is financing for importing and out exporting goods. You have all the necessary import and export taxes available in every country, right? So for paying those taxes will be hefty, huge amount. For paying those taxes, this bank is going to assist you. It is used for financing ventures in foreign countries. So if you are going to start a company in any foreign country outside India, it will look at the possibilities and provide you finance for that. Assisting import or export business. So assisting import export, the formalities required for importing and exporting the articles, which is suppose raw materials they are going to import and the finished goods they are going to export. Mean that process is taken care by the Export Import Bank of India, and the advanced information advisory for overseas projects will be readily available with them. You can go and anytime you can go and get the required information or help from the Export Import Bank of India.